Today I am in Nanhui district, or today's Pudong district. It's like 50-60 kilometers away from the city center of Shanghai. I just talked to a local people, and she told me this is a very recommended restaurant. So I decided to trust her and give it a try. 清香黑鱼. 黑鱼is name of kind of a freshwater fish. I looked up on internet. Maybe it's called snakehead fish. She said her father had eaten here for 40 years before she was born. It looks very popular. They don't have menu here, so it's a combo with rice, with one dish of fish, and comes along with the soup. That's what everyone is having right now. And you can order how spicy you want your fish to be. So I ordered a medium. This is the fish. I think it's cooked with a pickle. You can see the chili peppers. This is the soup with the pickles too, and a little bit of shredded pork and the rice. This combo is 40 Chinese yuan, $6.50 for lunch. I'm going to give it a try. Fish. Nice. It's really nice. It definitely had the fish texture, and what impressed me the most is the touch of the pickle. Preserved the vegetables gave it such a strong taste. Be careful, they have a bones inside. It's fresh water, so lots of bone. It's really good. It does not have the fishy smell. I think you use the pickle, ginger, chili peppers to eliminate the bad fish flavors. So it's really nice. And the dark soy sauce. You can see the color is pretty dark. It's from the dark soy sauce. In Chinese word, we call this 下饭菜. With this dish, you can eat a lot of rice because it's such a good company with rice. I'm thinking going to have another bowl of rice. Now I have another bowl of rice. Next I'm gonna use the gravy to mix the rice. This rice is very good too. It cooked perfect. Not too soft, not too hard. You can feel the crunchy pickle. It's a good combination. Love it. Now I am in the kitchen. This is the fish. Oh, the chef's here. Oh, she's actually weighing the fish for every portion, right amount. Very traditional scale. I can't believe every portion was cooked freshly. Before I came to the kitchen, I thought maybe it was cooked all together in a huge pot, but no, all the serves are cooked freshly here. Now I'm out of the restaurant. I would give it 8.5 out of 10 to the restaurant, to the fish. The more fish I had, I think the more I think the true hero actually is the pickle, preserved vegetables. All the fish had such a strong flavor of the pickles. Yes, so the true hero is the pickle. They definitely have their own way to make pickles. Preserved veggies. So I'm gonna end this video here. See you next time. 清香黑鱼